Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Happy Learning with Kash. Learn, practice and teach others. Today I am coming back with another delicious recipe. This is an easy recipe yet very delicious to eat. This is chicken breast in honey and soya sauce. Also, this recipe needs very few ingredients. So let us see what are the ingredients needed for this recipe and let's cook together. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos at first. With no further delays, so let us quickly go and see all the ingredients that will be needed for this recipe. Here, we will need 2 pieces of broiler breast, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, salt to taste, all-purpose flour to coat, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of refined oil. That's all. Yes, with honey and soya sauce we will cook this recipe. So let us go. I have washed my chicken breast piece well and we will put it in a plate to flatten it. Today I am gonna use a crusher pin. You can use your rolling pin instead of this or a chicken pounder if it is available with you. All we need to do is to flatten this chicken breast piece very well from both sides so that the flavor could go inside of this breast piece nicely. This will make your chicken breast piece after cooking really juicy. One more reason to flatten this breast piece is that if we do like this, then the chicken breast piece will cook evenly and this will be ready in just few minutes. So here the flattening has done. So let us go for the next part. Here I am taking this flattened chicken breast piece in a plate and we will sprinkle some salt on both sides of the chicken breast piece. Along with this, we will sprinkle some crushed black pepper both sides of the chicken breast piece. Once it is done from both sides, we will sprinkle the red chili flakes into the chicken breast piece. We will nicely sprinkle on both sides of the chicken. You can easily make these red chili flakes at your home. All you need to do is roast one dry red chili and crunch it with your cruncher, or you can grind it in your grinder. Now we will coat this with all-purpose flour. The coating is also essential as this will bind all the spices with the chicken breast piece at the time of cooking. We will nicely coat all the pieces one by one and we will keep it aside. And then we will go for the cooking part. So here I am taking a non-stick pan and will switch on the gas stove. We will keep the flame of the gas stove from medium to low heat during the whole process. Here I am pouring 1 tablespoon of refined oil to the pan and using a spatula I am spreading it all over the pan, and then we will add the chicken breast piece to the pan. One common mistake people used to do is they turn over the chicken breast piece as soon as it goes to the pan. So don't do this. Just give it some time to cook for about 3 minutes. Then we will turn it over. So here the 3 minutes is done. So we will turn it over and we will cook it from the other side for the next 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes has gone, we will again turn the chicken breast piece and we will press it using the spatula and we will cook it for about 1 minute from both sides. As you can see this, our chicken breast piece has almost cooked. Now we will add the sauce mixture. For this, we will make some space in between the chicken breast pieces and we will add 1 tablespoon of butter. Here I am using the salted butter of Amul. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of chopped and crunched garlic into this butter and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of honey. We'll mix all the ingredients together and then let the breast piece soak all the flavors of the sauces and the garlic butter all together. Now I will pour the sauce mixture over the chicken breast piece one by one. It will take another 1 to 2 minutes to soak all the flavors by the chicken breast piece and make it juicier and delicious. Just ready at your hand. So let's give it a time to cook by itself. So here I am turning it over the other side, and then again we will pour the sauce mixture over the chicken breast piece one by one. So here the 2 minutes is over, and let us see whether our chicken breast piece has cooked properly or not. For that, I am taking one knife and I am inserting this into the breast piece. You can see it goes nicely inside the chicken breast pieces. That means it's ready. The time needed to cook these chicken breast pieces is completely dependent upon the thickness of the pieces. So here it's ready. Our mouth-watering chicken breast piece with all the flavors of soya sauce, honey, butter, garlic. It has to be awesome. I am serving this with a white chutney. You can cook this recipe for a nice starter of your party. So here I am going to cut one piece out of the chicken breast pieces. So you can see it has nicely cooked. That's why I am easily able to cut this piece. Can you see this? Now let me quickly have a bite of this. It's really mouth-watering. It's melt in your mouth. Just go and give it a try. Trust me, you won't regret of your hard work. Actually, it's not a hard work instead. So go and make it by your own, and let me know in the comment section below how did you find this recipe. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button so that I could know that it was a helpful video for you. I will come back soon with another video. Till then, thank you for watching and bye bye.